Hi, welcome to Green. My name is Esmeralda and I post about everything that makes me happy. Today I have a special treat for you. We're unboxing a micro game. This package has been sitting on my kitchen table for over a week. I just want to have some credit for not unboxing this for an entire week. So I will take you along with the unboxing of this. I found this on the marketplace when I was scrolling, looking for tiny solo playable games. And yeah, found another one. Here it is. It's called Pacific Ocean. I think this was a Kickstarter game. I didn't back it. I haven't been on Kickstarter for a long time. But I found this one and it fits the criteria of an ultra tiny little game because it fits in the palm of one hand. So let's have a look. It plays 1 to 3 players, which is excellent because I only buy games that have a solo variant. 10 minutes. From what I understand, it's a tiny little puzzle game that actually has an automa. So you're actually playing against, here we go. You're actually playing against Willie or Ferdinand or Flipper. And there's a lot of them actually. Is this with an expansion? Oh, okay. Yeah, so you're choosing one of these opponents and they're double-sided. So you can also play with James or Ariel or Christopher. So you pick one. And so apparently that's your, so apparently that's your automa. Let's pick, I don't know, Argo. So this is your opponent, and then on the other side, so this goes back. And then, what's this? This is a player aid, I think. And then you pick your habitat, I think, or your this player. And then the only thing you need to add yourself is a 6-sided die, which I don't have at hand at the moment. But basically, you have this deck like that, and you pick, I think you pick 3 cards, and then at the top part there is these icons, which if you collect them, they give you points, and on the bottom part are your scoring conditions. So for instance, if you have these icons, they will at the end of the game they will give you 3 points per collected item. So if, for instance, you have these 3, you pick 2 of them that you want to play with. One is face up, one is face down. You roll the dice, or 1 die, and this actually determines whether your automa picks this card or this card. So for instance, let's say the automa picks this card. The automa always puts it on top, so it now has these 2 icons. And then it's your turn, and you automatically get this one, but you get to choose whether you want to put it on top like this or whether you want it for the scoring conditions. So in this case, I would pick this, and then you have this 1 card left, and then you take another 2 cards, and that's how you play the game. Eventually, you tally up all the scoring, and whoever gets the most points is the winner of the game. Lovely! The reason I bought this, of course, obviously, is this beautiful artwork. Just look at this. Fishies. Oh, the Kraken. This has to be one of my favorites. Really, really awesome. So you get the shark, the whale, another whale. I love this. I love it. I think it's a very simple game, very calming, chill, you know, kind of game that you put in your bag and you're waiting for the bus and you think, okay, let me play this game. Or maybe not for the bus. Maybe you're in the train and you play this little game. Lovely. Well, I wonder how this is going to compare with the other ultra tiny games that I already have on my top 10 list of ultra tiny, teeny tiny little games. If you haven't watched that video, please go in the link, which I'm probably gonna add, or maybe go into my playlist for board games and binge watch all my board game videos, and then you will find a top 10 list with ultra tiny little games. I like this one. Okay, if you like this content and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me and all the other doodly dings, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.